Sunday, 10th of December, I am at Sabah Credit Christmas Carnival. It started yesterday, Saturday, now ending today, Sunday. Okay, and gentlemen, this is a very good example of coexistence. As our last tune judge of Malaysia said, recognition or acceptance of coexistence, and this is one example of it right at Donggong, guys. Sabah Credit Christmas Carnival, and the stalls here are halal stalls. They are, and he is giving me. See, so we are all celebrating Christmas together. Doesn't matter what religion you got. They have halal stall here. See, they are all here. Halal stall. Maybe the non-halal stall is somewhere else. Now the guys talking. See all the stalls here. Halal food and drink, no problem. I've just taken some drink there just now. Now the organizer there of Sabah Credit staff is announcing the next event games. And also the stalls here, plenty. It's open. Everybody is having a stall. See, in Sabah, the Muslim can also operate stall at the Christmas festival. Nothing sensitivity. I hope PAS doesn't make a police report. Okay, if you try, I'll challenge you. But this is a good example. No takiya here. We are the best example of coexistence, fellows. This is a Christmas carnival organized by Sabah Credit Corporation of Sabah, India car park. And let's look at this big, nicely decorated, very cool, what you call this, tent, largest tent I've ever seen. It's not a tent. It's only open until 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, this weekend. And by the way, guys, behind there, the non-halal food store. Down the back, you can find pork silam. Right, that's where pork silam is. I just went and tapao a lot of chukyok from that side. Okay? So everybody coexists in this country. So do not try. Don't try anyone, try to disturb our joyful coexistence in this part of Malaysia. Don't ever try. You'll face me. So here you are, guys. Everybody's having a game. You're waiting for people to turn up. This event will finish by this evening, maybe 10 p.m. at night. Halo, Pak, kau punya ikan? Untuk budak-budak?
Ya, budak-budak dewasa pun boleh main.
Game for budak-budak. Okey, wah.
Satu RM10, tiga RM25.
Oh. Game mana kau main?
Dia tangkap macam ini.
Oh, itu budak pergi tangkap. Alamak, tidak mati itu ikan kah? Kalau kena tangkap pasti balik.
Habis tangkap tetap balik di sini.
Oh, okey. Very good.